every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly.
Guys, so today we have our first video where we play games. We have an online game and this is Cat Mario. I guess you all know it. And yeah, let's go! Jump. Jump! What the fuck? What? Oh, it's throw, okay. Die. No, fuck off. Okay, one life. Let's go. Jump. Okay. Okay. Slowly. Oh, that was close. Jump. What's that blue? It's... I guess I should jump there. Okay. Oof. Are we dead or what? No, 0 lives. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that is a checkpoint. Oof. Okay, let's go. Is that meant to happen or what? No. Oh, for fuck's sake. Just, I guess that's the... What now? -1 life, okay. So, yeah. Yeah. No. Okay. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. What now? Apparently we didn't. So yeah, let's go again. I guess I have to jump here or what? And then this fucking laser or whatever is that? Oh my god. How? Jump. Go on the edge. Yes. Now we just have to somehow make this jump. Did we make it? No, please, please. Please. Yeah! What happened? Yeah, we make it! We make it! In the next level. What is... Okay, let's go. What is this? What the fuck? So, I guess we won't go in there. Not... Oh, that was close. Let's go, let's go. Okay. This guy! This game is really fucked up. Checkpoint! Fuck. I hope we get... Yes, okay. What the fuck? So, the brown falls down first. Yes? Oh, fuck! Ah! Come on. Brown, small, and now the big one. Fuck you. Okay. I guess I wait for this king motherfucker. And the big one. Okay. Now. Guys, that will be it for today. I'm really pissed off. This game, oh my god. And if you want to see me more playing of this piece of shit, smash the like button. So like, subscribe, and yeah, peace. Do a dramatic intro. Today we have our first Q&A. We can say it's